crackle. It's our crackle activator. You want to put that on a prime board or a prime wall. Always flat paint. You get your roller. You're gonna roll it on. You want to put it nice and thick. So if you want to do 2 coats of the crackle, that's fine. The thinner it is, the smaller and the thinner the cracks are. Thick crackle activator, thick cracks. Thin crackle activator, thin cracks.
So you're applying, is that a pretty thick coat you're applying there?
Yeah, that's actually 2 coats already.
Oh, nice. And you have to wait until it's fully dry?
Fully dry, so like, give it like 30 minutes and it'll dry up. Okay, you put it in the... Crackle activator has cracks. Now we're gonna put our first coat of fine marino. Now the thing is that you gotta put it really thick, really heavy. Don't worry about the high lines. Remember, the thicker that you put it, the bigger the cracks. The thinner you do it, the smaller the cracks. So you wanna put it nice and thick. You have to put it nice and thick for nice dramatic cracks. Very important. Now when you overlap something like this, it's gonna crack, it's gonna pull on you. Let me show you an example. That, it's gonna do that to you. That's what the crackle activator does, so try not, if something like that happens to you, you just overlap it very, very heavy, and that's it. Now you can see the process of it cracking slowly but surely. It will start cracking in the next 5 minutes. And it takes a long time to dry because we put it very, very thick. So I would say about 6 hours for drying time. Okay, now our first coat of crackle is done. You can see it. Now, you can leave it like this, put a coat of wax on it if you like, but if you want it to be shiny, you have to put a second coat of Venetian plaster. I'm gonna put it nice and tight. Basically compressing it. Just 2 coats of Venetian. If you put another coat, you're gonna start hiding the cracks. So we don't want that. Back, compress it. want to get your burnishing trowel and start burnishing it. So same thing like doing a third coat of Venetian. You know, do every 2 feet at a time, 3 feet, 4 feet. Stop, burnish it up. Remember, always clean your trowel, because if not, this will dry up and you'll scratch your walls. Now that it's dry, the second coat is dry, we like to put a color wax, like a bronze wax, gold wax. We even get the clear wax and we tint it to black or red. You know, we just tint the wax. The reason for is because the color wax falls in. If you notice, it shows a lot more with this color wax. This is a bronze wax. Wait a couple of minutes and then you just buff it out.